We are now in Vientiane, Laos for One ASEAN Peaceful Cycling Tour in Laos 2018. Today morning we have all the ASEAN countries participate this event for support our ASEAN peace, unity relationship right between ASEAN countries in Laos. Today morning also we have 400 minimum participants to participate in from all the ASEAN countries to make a success of this event. All the ministries from the Laos will make a great success, and all the ASEAN embassies in Laos together to great support for the success of One ASEAN Peaceful Cycling Tour in Laos 2018.
On behalf of the Ministry of Information, Culture and Tourism, I would like to express my deepest gratitude and to welcome One ASEAN Peaceful Cycling Tour here in the Lao PDR. And of course, based on the organizing of this event this year, I see that many representatives from not just ASEAN countries but other countries will also join us in this event, and I'm deeply proud and deeply satisfied about the organizing of this event this year. Hope that it will contribute to the greater peace among ASEAN and great meaning, because it's also in conjunction to the Visit Laos year 2018. And of course, I'd like to express my thanks and gratitude to the president of the 1ACC and the ASEAN Cycling Club to come and organize the event here in Laos.
Okay, so I think this is a great event to promote friendship and peace among ASEAN countries, and it's good that we come to Laos because, as you said, Laos is the final country of the 10 that you are coming to, and I think as you can see, so many cyclists here. They really enjoy cycling, and Laos is very safe for cycling and for tourism. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you to ASEAN Cycling Tour. This is a really good event, especially in Laos, because it increased the awareness of ASEAN itself, and it introduced every ASEAN members to each other, especially respective bikers. I hope in the next future there will be such event again.
Sabaidi, I'm from the Malaysian Embassy. As an ASEAN member itself, Malaysia as an ASEAN member itself, we support Visit Laos 2018 as well as two-way tourism.
It is a very friendly ride. The route was very accessible to people like me who is old, and it's very well organized.
Hello, we are from Vietnam to join the cycling event in Vientiane, Laos. We feel very happy to be here, and we're a group of 20 Vietnamese in Vientiane, and nice weather, good people, friendly, and nice city to visit. Thank you for hosting us, and hope to see you next time. Vietnam!
We are from the Malaysian team. We want to extend our credit to Laos government, Laos tourism, and Malaysian government to having us here for One ASEAN cycling tour in Laos. So we are very happy because the Laos resident, they are very helpful, they are very nice to us. So we hope that we will come here again. Malaysia, boleh! Malaysia, boleh! Malaysia, boleh!
And especially this activity is support Visit Laos year 2018. We are thanking all ASEAN member country for joining us today and to support Visit Laos year on this event.
For this event, ASEAN 1ACC cycling in Vientiane is a good activity. Show 11 Asian countries got harmony, compatible to each other, and I hope in the future we will have another nice event and Skyline Hotel ready to welcome.